Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Polygon to MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you have access the MetaMask interface, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be drop down menu with the network name in it. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and in the bottom there will be add network button. So you just have to click on the add network, and you will be able to access network section, and inside the network section there will be name of the networks. So in order to add Polygon, you just have to look on the bottom, there will be Polygon main net. So in order to add Polygon to MetaMask, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen, there will be add button. So you just have to click on that add button. Now they are asking for you to approve, so you just need to click on that approve button. And in order to switch to Polygon mainnet, so you just have to click on switch to Polygon mainnet, and you will be able to switch to Polygon. So this is how to easily add Polygon to MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.